Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use an AI tool called Chatgpt. I know by now you understand how much AI can help improve human productivity, but if you don't know, try Chatgpt. It is an AI tool that can help write an entire movie script or even a love letter, and no, I am not exaggerating. A lot of people have learned how to use this tool, from C-suite executive to social media managers. It is not only efficient, it helps to save time and also cost. So when they say that AI is here to replace humans, it just might be true, considering what ChatGPT and other AI tools are already doing. But don't worry, learning how to use ChatGPT is pretty easy. All you need to know is to know how to prompt it so that it can do whatever you tell it to do. So once you know how to use AI tools effectively and efficiently, they become your servant and not your competitor. So let's get into my laptop screen and I will show you how I use ChatGPT as a social media manager to write content and also to create entire projects. So someone asked me to write a business plan for him for a restaurant business, and I have actually done some parts of the writing on my own, but there were some aspects that I just couldn't get out of my head at some point, so I had to use ChatGPT. So this is me telling ChatGPT what to do. So I am writing and saying I'm writing a business plan for a Canadian-based business that caters to the culinary needs of immigrant students in Canada. And I said, please generate a mission statement. Okay, so at this point I actually wanted to generate a mission statement, but at that point I just couldn't come up with anything, right? So I wanted ChatGPT to help me come up with a mission statement that would capture how my business will stand out from my competition and why customers will buy. So watch how ChatGPT is going to generate a mission statement for me in a matter of seconds. So this is me trying to correct some of the grammar using a tool called Grammarly. All right. So when I'm done, I just click on that arrow you're seeing there, and it's going to be generating a mission statement for me that totally captures the essence of this business plan that I'm writing. This business that I'm writing a business plan for. All right. So it's just left for me now to look at what ChatGPT had done, and then I'll take out what I want, and then I'll go on to continue with my business plan. Okay, so using ChatGPT is all about knowing how to prompt it, telling it what to do, and then watching it generate what it is that you want it to generate for you. Okay, so for this other one, I'm actually managing an Instagram account for someone who is into hair business. She's a hair vendor, right? So she sells hair on Instagram, and I'm currently managing content for her on Instagram. But trust that there are sometimes when you just can't get any idea to work on. Like you just get hit with writer's block, and ChatGPT has been my savior whenever this happens. So I trust ChatGPT to help me come up with weekly content ideas, and then I actually work on it. So you can see now that in this instance, I'm saying I'm a social media manager for an Instagram hair vendor. Please generate a weekly content calendar for me. All right, and then you're going to be seeing what ChatGPT is going to be doing. It's going to be generating a weekly content calendar, generating ideas that I can actually work with. All right, so you can see now that from Monday through to Sunday, there is something that I can actually work with. All right, so all I just need to do is to come to this calendar for Monday, Tuesday, or if I want to work on it all at once, I can just come here and then look at what ChatGPT has generated and get to work with that. All right, so I'm also saying I'm also going to be giving it another prompt. I said I am an Instagram hair. Okay, so here is me giving it another prompt as well to create another content. So I says I'm an Instagram hair vendor. I want to create content to show my customers 5 reasons why they should wear a hair wig. I think that was what I was writing, right? So I've actually worked around this content already. So through the content that it was able to generate for me, so I took it and I went to Canva and then I used it to generate a content. All right. So as a side note, I actually did a tutorial recently talk about how to get access to Canva Pro for free, to get lifetime access on Canva for free. All right, so I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this video so that you can go to see it, how you can actually get access to Canva, the pro version of Canva for free. All right, so that you can be able to generate unlimited content with Canva. All right, so this is the idea that Chatgpt was able to give me, and then I picked it and then I went to Canva and I was able to generate something amazing. All right, so that is how to use Chatgpt. I believe you can now see how amazing this tool can be. One of the things you must know, however, is that Chatgpt is not human and therefore lacks the emotional touch that should go into every content that you create. So this is why you must read properly to fine-tune whatever content that Chatgpt creates for you. All right, so thanks for staying until the end of this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, and also share to your friends, your enemies, and everyone whom you believe would benefit from watching this tutorial. Bye for now.